Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a heading like 1, 2, or 2, heading 3, and so on and so forth to your text in your pages on the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace in the top left corner. After that, select your project here, and inside your project, navigate to Pages. Select your page next. And after that, guys, click into this field here to start entering a command. And if you'd like to convert that text here into a heading, let me give you, for example, text or example text or something like that. Oh, excuse my typo here. What you need to do is highlight the text, and after that, click into text here and select heading 1 or heading 2, and so on and so forth. So simply select the one you would like to go with. And that's basically it, and that will become the heading of your text. Now if I skip to the next line, I will be given the opportunity to continue typing or entering my text, and that will here remain my heading. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.